Have you ever wondered what are the symbols of France?
Is it maybe Paris, Eiffel Tower, or it's some symbols of French cuisine like croissant, for example? When it comes to French cuisine, I have my favorite dessert. It's a fondant au chocolat. It's so full of chocolate. And as the name suggests, it's chocolate, and that's the main topic of today's video. There is a factory of chocolate with a museum that is not far from our region, so we took a ride. This is almost terrible, but all these machines around me do contain chocolate for degustation, which means every single born like this, I can take a ticket and get 2 bars of chocolate of a given type. So that's pretty cool. I guess for kids that's amazing. So this has been just 5 minutes from our chocolate visit, and we already have like quite a lot. Remember not to lose your ticket in the museum. It's very important for the degustation. And you know what? Chocolate that we know, like this, doesn't exist in nature.
On va partir direction l'équateur. Alors pourquoi là-bas? Tout simplement parce que c'est dans la ceinture équatoriale que l'on va trouver les fameuses fèves de cacao qui sont donc dans un fruit qui s'appelle la cabosse. En tout cas, quand on pense au chocolat, là on n'imagine pas que ce soit ça.
We receive the grains of cacao before any treatment, so they smell like chocolate, but they are far from being a chocolate taste. This is a process that we elaborated to have it in this form. So it's not a simple thing to make a chocolate, so let's appreciate it even more. Waiting time. Are you skeptical? Oh, lava cake there. Good, no?
Good. Hot. But good.
And you know what's the best about this recipe? When it doesn't work and it's not fondant inside, you can always say it's a brownie, so it's just perfect. It's just perfect. You know what? There is something else that helps anti-depression. It's not only chocolate. I have found out a winter antidote for the depression, and this is something specific for mountains, so just have a look in the other video. Thanks!